So the way laser scanners work is you have the laser scanner device on top of a tripod, and it spins around and shoots hundreds of thousands of points per second and measures all of those points, and then you're able to stitch all those together, or actually the equipment is able to stitch it all together into one image, which you can then use to take measurements. You can grab volumes or pull different measurements off of that model that it creates.
Alec Goodall, project engineer. So the laser scanner is going to be really helpful in this project because, as you can see, we've got a lot of hydronic flooring, hydronic radiant flooring that's going to heat this floor. So once we pour concrete over this, we won't be able to know exactly where all this tubing is because it'll be covered in the concrete. So after the fact, we'll be able to map this out and accurately see where the tubing is. So if we need to do any improvements after the job, for example, anchor bolts or any type of anchoring systems or drilling into the concrete, we'll know where this tubing is so we don't hit it and damage it and potentially have a huge problem later.
Matt Gentry, operations manager out of our Evansville, Indiana office. When our competitors are routing that pipe without having those scans and without walking all those lines down, they're probably going to be a lot more conservative at bid time because it was twin 18-inch carbon steel pipes going through the middle of the powerhouse. So they're going to have a lot more guesses during the estimate phase than we will. We've got a definitive route that we've used with our engineers route it.